Hello, myself Bini. Registration number is 15CS203. Today I am going to explain you about queue, sequence and the index. So here we have our first question. Create a view having book number as ID number and book name as book and price. So I have the query like this. SQL create view MVI as book select as. So it means create view unique as, and here we have the query select book number as ID number and book name as book and price from the book one. So we can see a view is created. So our next question is insert the view into the above view and observe the changes in the master table. So here we have insert into MVI, where as here we have declared MVI is the view name. So MVI values are 123 Java and 250. So the row is created. So update the next query is update the above view by arranging the book in the alphabetical order. So create or replace view as select book number as ID number, book name as book, price from book one order by book. So view is created. So how to drop the view of the for the above table? So drop view MVI. So the drop view is dropped. So next query is display the name of the books whose price is more than the average from the above view created. So a query is create view 2 as select book dot book name IS record dot issue record ISS record dot member number from book and ISS record table, where book dot book number equal to ISS record dot book number. So the view is created again. So create the complex view having the book name, issue record and the membership table. So as we have to display the names of the book over here, so these query both are same. So here we are select star from P2. So the book number here is created. So next query is evaluate the speed of accessing using index by creating index for the book number attribute. So here we have create index underscore book one on book category. So index is created. So here next query is create the sequence for the student registration number and generate the primary key automatically and check the efficiency. So here we will create the sequence. To create the sequence we have this index like this: create sequence name, then start with what number and how much it should be incremented and what is the maximum value, then the cycle it should be there, then it will create the cycle. So here we have a query create sequence name we have given as sequence underscore 111 and it should start with 15681 and then it should be incremented by 1 and the maximum value should be 999 and the cycle followed by that, then the sequence is created. Then after that we have inserted some of the values in the table. So once first the table is created, then we have inserted the member number by then this registration number. Here we want it should be automatically given. So here we have a sequence number, sequence name, sequence underscore 111 dot next val. It will automatically increment, start with 15681. It will increment by 1 as soon as we enter the new values in that. So here we have inserted 3 values. So here we can see we have our values for this table as select start from mem. So registration number is automatically incremented by 1, that is 81, 82, 83, and we have our names followed by that. So our next query is same only, but we have to increment it by automatically increment by 10. So here we have a query create sequence name, start with 15681, increment by 10. Sequence is created. Again we will create the table and we will insert the value. Now we can see the query is incremented by 10. This is 8191 and 15701. Now our query evaluate the speed of access using index by creating index for the student underscore number attribute in the student table. So here we have a query create index IDX on student underscore department. So here the index is created. So these were the queries for the sequence index and view. So thank you.